What is right and what is wrong? Is right and wrong subjective? Is right and wrong based on reality or perception? Can the same argument hold good for all rights and wrongs? Can morality be said to be subjective perception of being right or wrong? Many such questions come to our mind, which are seen to be wrapped up in our dilemma of perception and beliefs. Upbringing and belief system. Right and wrong has a lot to do with our upbringing, our belief system, culture, religion, geographical area, and our perception of the situation. For example, our dress codes of right or wrong are perceived so because of the above variables, though this right or wrong is subjective in the singular sense, but at the same time it is governed by the law of the country and the dictates of the religion. Morality. If morality was objective and unchangeable, and all ideas were generally accepted to be either right or wrong, then all governments would have the same laws. For example, all would either allow gay marriage, or all would favor mercy killing, or all would outlaw it. But this is not what is seen, meaning thereby that not everyone has the same views on right and wrong. Free will. God created an absolute right and wrong for everything, but then He also gave us a free will to choose the right dharma in performing our duties, moral rights and right social conduct and virtues. Though killing is wrong, still Arjuna was advised to kill his relatives, demons were killed by avatars, soldiers killed to safeguard their country and their life. This is part of dharma. Acts of love and compassion. If a mother whose children are hungry steals food to feed them, will it be morally wrong or right? Here we can see that right and wrong is a perception, though we know technically it is wrong to rob. Some even perceive theft as borrowing or redistribution of wealth. Opinion versus morality. Right and wrong is based on how we perceive things of morality, influenced by culture, spiritual and religious beliefs. Whereas opinions of right or wrong can be for liking a particular sport or a genre of music, and likes and dislikes in so many other matters. For example, if one argued it is right to spend time meditating, but wrong to spend time gazing at nature, this is a matter of personal opinion. Cultural perceptions. Cultural taboos and beliefs are very strong to perceive things as right or wrong, moral or immoral. What is accepted to be right by one culture may be criticized as wrong by another culture. For example, live-in relationships may not be a taboo in most Western countries, but the conservative East feels it is morally wrong. In what way is your perspective a product of your cultural, historical and geographic setting? If you like this video, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.